Today I'm going to teach you how to put on a lace frontal wig. First thing you'll need is 2 wig caps, one to hold your braids and the second to cover your hairline. On the sides, cut 2 holes to have room for your ears and to help the wig cap lay down flat. And then you'll take some Got2b gel and just smooth it out across your hairline. And once the glue is dried, you're just going to cut out the excess wig cap. And then you're going to take a face powder or foundation and just cover the hairline of the wig cap. Then I'm just taking my blowhole active wig glue and drawing a line across the edge of the wig cap. And then I'm just smoothing out the wig glue with the end of a rat tail comb. This is the 18-inch natural black frontal from the artistryofcosmetics.co. I'll put the link in the description so you can find this wig. And then I'm just adjusting where the wig should lay. And then you're going to match up the hairline of the frontal to your hairline. And then you're just going to press down the edge so it's nice and secure. And then I take a comb to help press it down. I got a little bit of glue in the hair, but you could just take a paper towel to rub it off. I got a little glue on the hairline, but you could just take a paper towel to wipe it off. And then you're just going to cut off the excess lace. And since the frontal is a little longer on me, I just cut off the excess and cut off the shape of my ear. I'm just sectioning off some hairs to cut up into baby hairs. Now I'm taking my setting foam and then laying down my baby hairs. And then I'm also using a little bit of Godspeed gel for it to stay. This is the final results. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.